Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I wanted to make a video to show you guys a different way that you could promote your merchandise, whether it be merch by Amazon, whether it be Redbubble, whether it even be Zazzle, TeePublic, Society6. You can go through the list of different websites and different platforms. Even if it was your own website, you could do this. And this is actually a completely free way of doing your marketing, getting your promotion out there. On the last Redbubble video we created, something super important we mentioned was the concept of marketing and how it's kind of like a steroid or like a boost for your business. Because what happens is as you guys know, we have the algorithms, especially with the marketplace-based platforms such as Redbubble, such as Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, etc. And what happens is 9 times out of 10 on most marketplaces, when you get an extra sale, 2 sales, 10 sales, etc., you start ranking higher. Right now, you guys are seeing my home page or my home feed on my YouTube here, and there's a video that came up here which is an edit. It's a video of an edit, and it's got 2.7 million views. The video was posted last year, and basically what it is, it's almost like a cool montage, 3 minutes long, of basically like Kung Fu Panda. And the video is titled Revenge. And on the front, like the thumbnail, it's the picture of one of the, basically the main character, like the evil main character. I forget what the word is, but the arch nemesis kind of basically the film, right? And this is Tai Lung. He's the character of the kung fu type of leopard, right? He was basically the opposite of the hero, whatever that word is, right? It just escapes me at the moment. But this person right here has this YouTube channel with 32,000 subscribers, and it's a video that people clearly enjoyed. I mean, it has over 77,000 thumbs up and 2.7 million views, so that's a lot. That's a lot of content, or a lot of views, rather. And if we go ahead and scroll down, it's like so much people love this type of content, and they're really highly engaged with this video. And I thought to myself, if this person created like a shirt that said Revenge on it, right? And maybe even had a silhouette of just like a kung fu type character or a fighter, or it doesn't have to be anything, that infringes IP wise, but maybe this person could have made an extra 3, 4, 5,000 a month promoting some sort of merch that they created that goes along with their videos. I've noticed a lot of people in the editing space where they make these type of cool videos and they make these cool edits. They really don't have any merchandise to sell with it. Now, you guys can absolutely do that, and this is a different way that you could promote your businesses. It's a little different, I know. It's a little esoteric. It's definitely not what people think of when they first think of promoting their business, but for some of you guys this might work. I know YouTube is a lot of effort for some people, but it definitely works to promote something like on this scale. And if you look at the videos, right, so this video, the most recent one, has 63,000 views. This one has 11,000. This one has 1,900, which this one is probably the lowest, right? This one has 75,000. You just take these 4 most recent videos, this is still well over 100,000 views. This could easily create a lot of sales. It doesn't have to be multi-thousands, right? It doesn't have to be like 6, 7, 8,000, but it could at least create $1,000 a month, especially when you create these type of designs that are not necessarily infringing. They're protected because, they're your own kind of style, but they have some relation to the video at hand. I think that would be very, very impactful from a YouTube standpoint. And once again, this is just another strategy. I can't say that I've done this, but I could see how it will work. And you guys probably think the same way. I mean, this could definitely work. Like, for example, this Tyrion Lannister video, right? 4,200 views. But if you click on the video, right, and you watch through it, and the comments, he he says here, like, there's a quote in the video where Tyrion Lannister says, "I wish to confess," right? And he says something like, "I wish I hadn't killed." I haven't killed your son, which he's referring to one of the main characters of the Game of Thrones series, which is, I believe, is Joffrey, King Joffrey, and he says, "I haven't killed your son, but I wish I had," right? And I think maybe you could take a quote like that, right? Maybe spruce it up a bit, change some stuff, maybe cut it down a bit. Or it doesn't even have to be that specific quote, but just make sure you don't infringe on any IP, but then clearly promote it in the video. And if the company who owns Game of Thrones or whatever company is to check on you, make sure you pass, the exam technically of infringement. Make sure you don't take any pictures of the people from Game of Thrones and put it on a t-shirt or any logos or anything like that. But you can create a style that more importantly relates to the message of what the video has, right? And so this is almost like, these are like ads, right? And we could sit here and play some of this. In fact, like, I want to see here what he's saying. Hopefully you guys can hear this. Yep. This is it.
Yes.
Yeah, see?
Father, I'm guilty. Guilty.
First of all, I don't know why his voice sounds like that, but it says fan voiceover, so...
Is that what you want to hear?
You admit you poisoned the king?
No. Of that, I'm innocent. I'm guilty of a far more monstrous crime.
Okay, there you go. So I don't want to keep playing it because I don't want to have any issues with YouTube, but he says, I'm guilty of a far more monstrous crime. I'm guilty of being your son. I think that's what it was. And you could make on a shirt, like you could literally write on a shirt, I'm guilty of a far more monstrous crime, something like that, and put a picture of like a monster, or like the face of a monster, or like a silhouette of a monster, or even you could search on Canva like a logo of a monster. These are just different ideas that run through my head, different ways that you could promote. And, I'm not saying it would be easy. I'm not saying you'll make money overnight. I think a lot of people kind of misdiagnose what I'm trying to say sometimes because they might think, oh, I did this once or twice, but I never got any sales. I mean, sometimes you're not going to be as lucky as this guy was and get 1.4 million views your first video. It's just not going to happen. Sometimes you have to create video after video after video to create some sort of audience. And to put things into perspective, look at my channel, right? So I have over 1,000 videos on this channel. I think over 1,200. I'm not 100% sure, but I think over 1,200. And I haven't even reached the 40,000 subscriber mark yet. Now, you guys could do way better because of the content and the entertainment factor, right? So this is a Gladiator edit, and it's got 3.5 million views. And there's so many other creators doing stuff like this, but I was like, why don't they have a merch line? Merchandise and entertainment go really, really well together. We've seen this with, for example, like the Shrek series, right? The whole Shrek business by Activision, right, is a killer business. They could have sold tons of Shrek merch, Shrek backpacks, Shrek t-shirts, all kinds of stuff. In another notion, you don't even have to create movie edits. Maybe you're a graphic designer. Maybe you create animation. Maybe you have these characters. Maybe you want to create your own YouTube series. Create a whole series out of it. You could really expand this as far as you want it to go and how creative you want it to go. I'm not saying that it'll be easy. Once again, it's just another source of revenue for you. And you don't also have to necessarily use the marketplace platforms. You could create your own website and kind of connect it and make it a whole business, take advantage of some tax deductions and things like that and LLCs, and you can set up a whole business that way too. So there's a whole lot of options as far as doing this and taking advantage of it. I just figured I'd share this with you guys as just a simple example. All right, guys, hopefully this video was useful or beneficial to you. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.